time. Me ready.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti
Check.
Ragashanti live.
Check. Press to make sure that the recording around there. We're ready.
Blenda time.
We're ready. Watch your right. Work will come for work. Work will come for work. You know people. Hey. Check. What's up? Me I do the wave. If you watch the video, me I do the wave. Woyoy! Right, throw on the stress right now. Throw on the stress. If it's even for a little bit, because some stress you can't really ignore them. Right? Some battles you have to fight because survival depends on that, don't it? But for the time being, we can just escape from them a little bit right now and have some fun. Yeah, it's all about balancing up, people. It's all about balance, yeah? It's good to be responsible. It's good to acknowledge your obligations. It's good to accord to them the attention they deserve. But you know, honest, while I know 24/7, that make stress just take you over. And you feel like, say, you and the bright people, and when they talk and whatever, it's like, say, you just have to serious all the time. No, I laugh, learn, and grow with around here. Laugh, learn, and grow. Look, laughing at for Guan. Stacy put a smile by your face. TamFam, look, laughing at for Guan. We have to balance up a thing. Millie just go on, hold it, you know, your son. Shubot and thing, and we know them something there and thing, and it rough and all these things, Millie. But yeah, super fridge. We know the thing go doggy. You go to it right, you know, Pat Tradan and all these things and whatever Pat leave with today. He mashed me up too. But it's all good. Right? Remember, you know, one of the things where we can remind ourselves in these times is that we have life right, you know. And it's a good thing if we continue to live life to the fullest. And living life to the fullest necessarily involve de-stressing when we need to do so. Right? And balancing up with things with a little humor and a little laughter and all these things, don't it? Mad something. See, me I wear my pink TamFam hat. Yeah, a tribute to Pat. Pat, they like a pink one, you know. So, Pat, big up yourself, you know, Pat. Raga love you. Try down. Anybody don't know who Pat is and thing? Pat is a TamFam. She don't miss no event we keep. No event. None. Right? And Pat have that sexy bottom there where everybody believes say, you know? So she buy her bottom and Pat say, no, I'm my bottom. And all these things Pat ever thought when she come with thing them. You understand? And who want to remember who Pat is we attack Super Fridge Pat. You understand? Yeah, man, unfortunately about minutes to 2 in the afternoon, your COVID take her. You see me? One of them thing them, a good friend, you know? We are juggle though, we are juggle. Just have to acknowledge that because TamFam is gonna blow up my phone and so me go come to the show and thing. I'm hungry, but I try to eat some food. Prezi, we allowed for eat in our studio. We allowed for eat food in our studio. We can't eat food in our studio. Oh, what you said, don't tell. Yo, Prezi, I'm a general. Prezi, I'm a general. That, hey, I love people who understand my thing, you know. And Prezi, boy, nothing about him. Him just know of a joke. Because here I am on air, I ask Prezi if I can eat some food in the studio. Because Peckish at take me. Peckish. Oh, by the way, I have a lot of people who... I have a lot of listeners who... They're dating Jamaicans. They're not Jamaicans, but they're dating Jamaicans. Or... they're Jamaicans, but they never born in Jamaica. Or they have Jamaican friends and, or they don't consider themselves Jamaicans, but their mom and dad. Hey, you have some people, them born up here, their mother and father are Jamaican, and them consider themselves Jamaican. You have other people, them born up here, their mother and father are Jamaican, but they don't consider themselves Jamaican. Me work with what people work with. All right? Me work with what people work with. But I have quite a few listeners who have some form of affinity to Jamaica in some way, form, or the other. And they want to learn more about Jamaican culture. And they want to learn about it in a very real and practical way. They're not necessarily interested in that in anything too academic. However, when I get academic, them say, no, we like how you get academic because you explain them something in a way where we understand. But many of these listeners, they will often like link me up and say, what's so and so mean? And then I have to think back like, what? Wait, what? And they're like, no, what this word? You said this word when you were broadcasting. And, my mom and dad are Jamaican. And, I really love the Jamaican culture, but I've never heard this word before. And so, and then a few of them now, over the years, have said, when you're doing this show, remember us, okay? And we're not telling what you have to do, but when you can't remember and you say one of those unique Jamaican words, just, explain it for we who out here are listening and we love your show and we love Jamaica, we want to learn this up with them and whatever. So, peckish in the Jamaican language, and there are those who would tell you that this is more colloquial than it is actual, which is kind of true. It's more, I wouldn't say street. Peckish is not just street. Peckish is working class. It's country people, ghetto people, but it is traditional. Peckish is indeed traditional, and it means to be hungry, right? So when you hear a Jamaican say, boy, I feel peckish in the night, yeah, they're saying that they're hungry, right? And yes, it's one of those unique Jamaican words. However, let me just issue this qualifier as I explained before. There are many words that have long since considered unique to Jamaica. Oh, you don't find this word used anywhere. Only Jamaicans use it. Only to be rebuffed when I went to Ghana and I spoke to people there and I spoke to Ghanaians and who understand, certain things and understand traditional Ghanaian language, only to find out that a lot of the words, I wouldn't say a lot, but a few of the words that I had considered totally unique to Jamaica, they weren't exactly unique. They had their origins in Ghana, in West Africa, and it was just a joy to be educated about those words. And the one that I remember distinctly was Mampy. I remember thinking Mampy was a unique Jamaican word meaning a big body sexy woman. A woman with big butt and sexy would say a Mampy that and thing and whatever. And they were, that's Canadian, son. So I got schooled there. So I don't know about peckish. But I don't know if peckish has its roots someplace else. All words have their, they're created in some place. But I don't know if peckish is one of those. So that is my qualifier, essentially, right? But when you hear a Jamaican say, boy, I'm feeling peckish right now, that means they're hungry. That Jamaican person is hungry. Want to say good night to the folks on the wall. I see Tina there, Kevin Linton, Cecile Campbell now left me out, Jagans Foundation. Only thing bad about Jagans is that him cheer for the wrong English football side. Him is a gunner. Andrew Purple, him is a Man U man, Manchester United. So we get Mr. Man there from Portugal and on a lose door, Carlene Morris, proper Canada link in a place. Tanya McCoy, Mellon Foundation, Paulette Robinson, Loyal TamFam, Nakita Williams, Mariska Dennis. Mariska, that how your name pronounced? In French it's I know people say Dennis, but I think your name is French, if I'm not mistaken. Right? Because Dennis is Dennis in English. But Peckish is also a very popular restaurant in Jamaica. Who said that? Somebody said that? Eh? Sajay? Oh, but hold on. What is it? No, but Peckish is them just a using name, but the word they about long time. What Sajay buy food there or something?
I guess.
There's some Sajay, you have to tell me what kind of food they go on one of them there. We need to talk to Sajay. People, just so you know, I just want to remind you that I'm broadcasting on the Bridge 99 FM right now. That is where this show is being broadcast right now. And also on the IrieJam app and etc. And also on the Bridge 99 FM's
Big
website.
Yourself, Christ to life.
Yeah, where you are some general, where you say that? So we're Peckish restaurant there?
In the downtown.
Which part? Listen to me.
Right across from KPH.
Right across from KPH.
And it's a very popular restaurant.
Well, restaurant the right across from KPH.
Yeah.
Them change up down there, so. No other business never in this. So I just Jubilee Hospital and KPH in lock off the whole of this, so you did have gate on each side and North Street. Them put restaurant in this, so now. Hello? Gentlemen.
It's an exclusive restaurant, although it's across from KPH.
Oh, when you say exclusive, what you mean? Like it served the hospital community and surrounding, or so you go? Eh?
It's a very popular restaurant.
Very popular.
And serve everybody.
And serve everybody. All right, then. Well, thank you for letting me know that. And people, they're talking to me. They're in Jamaica. I just want to remind you that I'm broadcasting from New York City, where I live, from the IrieJam studios into the studios down there at the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. So we have to have staff here at the IrieJam studios, and we have to have staff at the Bridge 99 FM in order, when I'm doing the show and the connection and all these things, all right? So they might make me know about that restaurant when named Peckish. So the word now I use to name a restaurant, which is good. I make it more official because Peckish is one of those words that was just initially for a long time. Uptown Jamaicans never use Peckish. Watch them come cuss me. What you talk about? We use Peckish long time. Me say what me say. There are a lot of words from ghetto where uptown people use now. What uptown people never did use before. Uptown people never did use.
Here?
Yeah? What that? All right.
We have a phone call.
Oh, we have a phone call. All right. Send on the call right now. Make we hear what I go on. Hello.
Up, Raga, what go on? You hear me?
Yeah, man, and before we continue with the caller, people with upon wedding mix-up, if you don't have any phone mix-up calling to wedding mix-up or any other mix-up you want to have, that's with it. But anyway, back to the caller, you know, what go on?
What go on, Raga? Creamy. I check in, you know?
Creamy, where you say? Everything good?
Yeah, man, cool, man. I wish I saw the restaurant there.
Them say they're right in front of KPH.
Nah, man, I don't town is a restaurant there, man.
Nah, man, well, Creamy, we're not going to say right now, you know. We're not going to say right now, Creamy, you know, easy, you know. We're not.
I used to downtown restaurant.
We're different downtown, that. That's a rare downtown, mix up downtown. We're being very specific now, you know, downtown, Kingston, and you don't know KPH downtown. Oh, I'm sorry for the people, again, I have to be cognizant of this. For listeners who don't want to say KPH, and you're like, okay, what is that? It's a Kingston Public Hospital, and it may be the most popular hospital in all of Jamaica. All right, the Kingston Public Hospital, which is essentially an iconic building, and you know everybody know it. Particularly we get the people. Uptown people not go KPH, but we get the people who know Jubilee, you know, in terms of maternity, and Kingston Public Hospital and thing. Yeah, so Creamy, everything good though.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I want to tell you, boy, I'm sorry for you when I TamFam drop out, you know, man.
All right. Yeah, well, we are going to keep
you know,
with
Michael
spirit.
Donance, you know. Yeah, man, we have to still keep with spirit, man, you know.
All right. It goes somewhere.
Since night, me I say, I admit you with TamFam, you know.
No, man. You see, from you're calling and you're listening to Ragashanti
yeah,
show.
Man.
You remember TamFam. You remember the Tambourine family, see? Straight.
Raga, me not no wedding mix up, you know, but me say me have had a little drama, me do and guess.
Rinse it, no, my general, me could hear it and build a vibes in the night.
Because, me there, me have meds, you know, because I cook from night, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
You do one thing I shake out. Me don't know for the people them overseas, no one here shake out. You're supposed to know one here shake out, you know, Raga.
Well, we said dash out. There's a shake out.
Yeah.
Dash out, tin mackerel, yeah.
Pull up my belly and thing and say, boy, me I wait for you to come and forget that drama, yeah, you know?
Senna, my queer.
You are going now, Raga. You know, say a long time in the cream thing, when me I check back in from about 2, you know.
Okay, all right.
When this thing are never popular in Raga, you know what it reach me.
What?
Me more be careful. Zane.
Yeah.
You know, so me I tell you that it reached me the first time.
Yeah.
I'm see a bam now and get a link with a little one and bam. I know so she exposed me thing, Raga. Tell one of her friend them.
Nah, she shouldn't do that.
Me I tell you that if I'm been about 2 in a Raga, me I tell you so them time you'd have the artists who do that tune there, you know, such artists where I say enough boy can't get no girl if them know. You know, you remember that tune there?
Yeah. No boy can't get no girl if them.
That's me I tell you, so me live to see to the day, Raga. See, because 1 and 2 man that rain and the CMB come round back in a Raga and tell them man them say, boy, you know, not never go so. And thing, and if I'm that now, me I say, boy, I'm not doing another era girl thing, you know. You understand me I say, Raga?
You're not doing another era girl. Oh, no. What you mean? Say you know want a woman, you know, you know say you are eat ice cream now when it come. Any woman you're there with you gonna eat her ice cream. You basically say it don't make sense you're there with any woman in your era right now because they're gonna chat too much and tell them friend, don't.
Yeah, and that's something that you gone much years ago. You catch me I say, Raga?
Okay. So basically, do you believe say if a man and a woman there right now, right? And the man eat her ice cream, right? And our friend ask her, you know, when girls are chatting, whatever, I be like, girl, so and so. And if one of them say, you know, so Creamy do it, him do it to you, you say she must deny it. And say you don't do it, don't.
Well, you know, Raga, you see, another mother in the world about we in.
Yeah.
Man, not really watch your face again, because sometimes it bring on all I wanted to you, you know, even though he's not a bad person like that still, you know.
What you mean bring on that one to you? What you mean? If woman here say you do it, then I draft for you?
Yes, man, not them mother in time now, you know, man.
What you say, the woman them right now? That is for a lot of women, that is a requirement right now, you know, like, you know, say, worse if them here say you do it good, though.
Oh, yeah, sir, man, Raga, I tell you, say my first cup of cream or them big $300 cup of ice cream, then like Shelly D, you know.
Wait, I never like one little small little container.
No.
No.
One of them 300 cup there at them time there.
Oh, okay. And okay. Big cup of ice cream. And you know say the cup big. You just say enough ice cream, enough ice
cream like Shelly D, rather.
Like, so you know about Shelly D? How you depend on Shelly D? Oh, you know say Shelly D ice cream good? Oh, you know if your ice cream good?
No, because she talk, say the Ghana man, the boy,
No, Shelly D never said nothing. Say the Ghana man
like
eat her ice cream, Shelly D did not say that. Me not say the Ghana man not do it, Me I say she never say.
Yeah.
She never said the Ghana man eat her ice cream. Right? So, if him do it, it would mean say she at least shouldn't put him out there like that. No, but before we have to take a break, so I'm going to let go. But quick, so right now, in general, though, I ask you again. When man do it to woman, the woman them not for tell them friend or tell anybody when it good. Because woman have a thing, Woman have a thing we're like, oh my God, it was so good. I just have to tell somebody. I just got to tell somebody. No, me have to talk about this, it was just so good. Woman have that something there. So what you are saying? Is it your opinion? Or is it your stance? That in general, woman for all them out and don't tell them friend when time them get it. Worse if them get it good in order to protect your man. Is that the case?
Well, depends.
Okay.
Depends.
Depend on what?
It depends, Raga. It depends. We can't call back the come down now, sure.
We see how it go. All right then. Yeah, man. All right then. Bless up here.
All right, Raga. All
right, people. We're going to take a break. When we forward, we'll deal with some mix-up proper or any other mix-up want to have anything we want to talk about. Seeing wedding mix-up, phone mix-up, or any other mix-up. Make a bit of vibes. Enjoy the night tonight, irrespective of some of the difficulties and challenges that have besotted us. All right, we're going to break. We'll soon forward. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah man. Welcome back up in that thing right now. Ragashanti live. On the bridge 99 FM and thing jugglings. Once a big up to Ronnie Tweets who joined the bridge. I don't know the general is on Wednesday mornings and thing. Run it to it, original veteran in I thing in I radio thing, you see. So blessings and respect to the elder. So right now, look at us going to the phone line. Not calling with wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Once enough respect to the people, the Jewish people so celebrating Yom Kippur, which begins at sunset, which begun, I should say, sunset today and ends at nightfall tomorrow, September 16. Traditionally, the day is spent in prayer and fasting, beginning before sunset on the evening before Yom Kippur and ending after nightfall on the day of Yom Kippur. Once enough respect to the people that are celebrating World Afro Day as a global day of change, education, and celebration of Afro hair. Yeah, big up that natural hair, something there. Endorsed by the United Nations Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. We work with families, schools, and authorities to tackle discrimination against Afro hair. And for those of you who don't know, a lot of black women experience significant discrimination in the workplace, particularly so-called professional workplaces, business places, corporate settings, that people think that African-looking natural hair, Afro, is unprofessional, right? So a lot of black women experience all kinds of discrimination there. And, of course, we're challenging those type of status quo and rendering change on the world and beyond. And Jamaica is no exception in that regard. A lot of women experience all kind of discrimination in the workplace by, with them natural look and them natural hair. I want to say happy birthday also to the late, great Claude McKay, who was a Jamaican-American writer and poet and central figure in the Harlem Renaissance, born in Jamaica. For those of you who know Claude McKay, nice books, nice stories, and I'm very proud of his Jamaican heritage and wrote books in that regard. Anyway, we're up on wedding mix-up and phone mix-up. Hello.
Good night, my brother. What's up?
You know, some of I give a proper thanks. Why go down?
Well, my brother, my day, you know, what day I give thanks and praise, you know?
All right, where you call from?
Where I'm calling from?
Yeah.
Timbuktu.
All right, then. Don't near the radio. I'm not supposed to be hearing the radio. You move away from it.
All right, now I hear it now.
All right, then.
Brother,
yeah.
brother.
Talk to me.
I Jamaica, me I call from, man.
Yeah, man. Why go down? Talk to me.
Nothing but us there. But us there, live there. You know, every time boy Raga, me know want to meet a Saul. My phone battery always give me problem. Up to Friday night, me get you. And the phone lock off for me.
But what you mean problem? No, it's just a matter of charging it. You can't charge your phone.
Yes, Raga.
Eh?
It's like want a new Raga. You promised me a new phone, you know, Raga.
Who this? A alien this? A alien this? A alien? Alien? It's
one Raga.
Alien, me promise you phone. Me promise you phone.
One day I call. I had a pan. I'm a phone that I give me trouble. I say, alien, your phone, I get trouble. You need a new phone. I'm going to send a phone for you. I'm never asked you back. You never remember?
Them bola no alien. Suppose me they just say it as joke to your phone never come. I said, nah, you know, so I'm going to send your phone alien because your phone popped down right now. Suppose I joke me did a...
But
I joke me...
That was true.
Eh?
That was true. My phone is popped down.
Yeah, but when I say, suppose I joke me did I make when I say, yo, your phone popped down, man. I need to send your phone and rare. Suppose I joke me did I make.
No, but true, I know he's a kind person. Still, I serve people all the while.
Yo, Ilian, I tell you, so you're full of lyrics, you know, man. Hey, but I love the psychology. No, but you know you're a kind person, you know, you're always sorry for people and things. But take it serious. I mean, I believe say that send me a phone. Oh, and by the way, I know say when you said it, it was like 4 or 5 years ago. But I still remember, man. So I still really love that phone there, you know. Ilian, you know, easy, you know. You know,
same way it go.
So, what kind of thing you do? Because Ilian, you ever plan something, you know? You ever have some ambition or something where you say you need for design?
Raga, the amount of things we have. Right now, Raga, I can't really believe the whole of Jamaica, the whole of the sportsmen, them, Houston, Bulls, all around, sit down. And Jamaica kids, them not have nothing. Them not have no little place to go. Them not have no park. Them not have nothing. Them claims to say them build Emancipation Park. And Raga, when me go up there, I appear, I love as me say, both gay lovers and straight lovers. And that the kids them go up there and look one.
Well, I know. So you say the kids them not have no recreational area, and you say them claim to say them build Emancipation Park, but when you go up there, be a lover. But Ilian, what's wrong if lovers in the park? That is a good thing. Hold on. You talk, so make me talk right now. I know calm me down. I'm in here, Ragashanti. Let me talk. Okay, free up my mouth. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. So what I say, is it that a good thing that lovers have a park to go to and walk up and down? The guy, you say straight and gear, but the point is, yeah, make say lovers Emancipation Park are somewhere where, and I'm assuming, I don't know, rich people them will live up at Beverly Hills or Cherry Gardens or whatever.
You probably the people now come there.
All right. So me I say, but is it that a good thing that the lovers them can have a little park when them can go up and take a boy and walk and smooth? What's wrong with that?
Yes, but Raga, what about the kids them? Look how them park big Raga, listen Raga, them don't put 2 swing, 2 little slide.
Okay.
The kids them can go, you understand, 2 little
them no play area.
Where the kids them now for same, so the kids them are play.
But let me ask you something, Alien. Alien, what I do? Let me ask you something, though. I understand what you're saying. You see, up here in New York City, the name playground, the term playground is household. Because everywhere you turn, there's a playground, right? And you know, so New York City is a concrete jungle. So somebody with vision say, in this concrete jungle, in the so-called most famous city in the world, we need a lot of playground for the kids, right? Right. So I understand that. But Alien, when me and you grew up, you know, we never have no playground. And we find place we go kin pupa look and we play in a sand and we run in a open land and we climb tree and pick guinea and whatever. And hold on. All I'm saying is playground would be good. But not having a playground never stop we from being from grow up to being healthy people and it never stop her from play. We play hopscotch. We play a 1, 2, 3 red light. We play Simon Says. We play Stocky and all kind of something. So what you seem to be saying like a playground is absolutely critical, and if we're not there, like say it's a handicap. Explain yourself.
Yes, Raga. Because remember, as you said, when we little, we used to find play. I start away how to go and play.
Right.
But Raga, this is different. I know, Raga. A peer gunshot of fire the kids. Remember, we used to float a street, you know, in front of our gate. And them things there.
Alien, I'm going to stop you right there, so. Me and you experience the late 70s. Me and you experience 80 election, Alien. Me and you experience the gun thing right through 80s and whatever. And we still find a play here. No, man, how you talk about Alien?
Listen,
Alien, listen. Alien, at 82 you go America. Alien, I'm telling you, for years and years, Jamaica was always in the top 5 most violent countries in the world. For years and years and years and years and years. Right? I just certain country like
Raga, you never used to have so much gun. Raga, we used to come play. We used to can walk at night time, go anywhere we want go.
No, but Alien, I understand that, but what I'm saying is there is still it bad, but it is the gun thing bad, but it don't prevent. What we need to address is you know, we can't spend forever upon this, but I don't want to do the whole show upon this, yeah? But me hear what you say. So nobody come try put now. Every time you call, you come and put guilty, boy. You seeing, we don't do nothing for the pitting them and whatever. And then you, hold on, Alien, hold on. And then you always work your way and carry go around one way where you say, we must contribute to you for you set up something for the kids, them and whatever. This you think it's easy?
No, not to me. For we, including all when your kids them come at Jamaica.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, Daddy, I don't want to leave today.
All right.
Next week, listen, Raga.
No, well, Alien. You're not going to stay upon the whole show with this. We can't stay upon the whole show with this, because I know you. If it's up to you, we chat about this forever. It's only 2 hours we have, okay? All right. So, we want to talk to something to make the people them laugh, because them under all kind of stress. So, we know why you come here, so come a butter bruise right now, but we're not doing all them. So, I don't even give one little mix up or something.
Rosie, you know, hear me for Rosie.
No, but you can't say what you want, eh?
Raga, listen.
Yeah.
You're a circle partner, Raga, but me just get a little.
No, Alien, I mean you run the show. I say we're done with it right now. We're not going to something else. All right? Me hear the point where you make. All right.
I'll call you back next night.
Yeah, all right then, cool. Because we don't want to stay upon this forever. Here?
All right, brother, I love you.
All right then. Kiss on your neck. Here?
Yeah, brother, I'm on the phone.
On the phone you want? All right, I'm going to send you a phone. Here? Don't worry yourself. I get that phone for you.
Brother.
Yeah, man. It goes some, man.
Yeah.
Yo. TamFam has no alien, you know. Person, you don't know alien. You know what you say? You don't know alien. TamFam has them no alien. You think alien easy? You think he lean easy. I'm a look spooky man, I'm a look charge that man. Full of lyrics, you see. I ain't want to take a thing off of you, you know. You think he lean. And she, well, Alien still on the line? Oh, is that next call of this? Yeah, man, me hear somebody laugh a while ago. Who laugh a while ago? Hello?
I'm me, Raga.
Oh, where you say?
Because you're alien or to mash up the show.
No, you not see alien, man. If you follow alien, you spend the whole time and you think she easy. Why go down, Bobo?
Boy, me there no Raga. But two look point me have to make. Me not have the mix up, but me have two look point to make.
Yeah.
One, me not care when nobody wants to about you. Me love you. Because aside from the mix up and the laughter, you also do educate us. Because I didn't know that we have a natural hair there.
Oh, yeah. Afro there, yeah.
Afro there. I didn't know that. Yeah. And I'm so happy that, I mean, it's not well known, but like the rest of stuff that are out there that we do celebrate, that they make well known. But I'm happy that I was educated and I learned something tonight. Something new.
Now, and just to be specific, it's called World Afro Day. And this is from the United Nations Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights. Right.
Thank you very much for giving me that information. Point two, Creamy was just called and a talk or say, nobody, woman go back and talk. Sir, you see, if you can't do your thing good, somebody else are going to know about it. So you see, if you don't want nobody to know about it, anything in the darkness must come in the light. So you see, if you don't want nobody to know about it, you're not bother with your rum and raisin and your great nut business.
No, man, hold on, man. You don't think there's something to be said? Giving the stigma out there and giving out, enough people like a browbeat a man if them ears say man do it, depending on which circle him in. You don't think that there's something to be said for people to protect people? Because the man can protect a woman too. If the woman do it to the man too, him not have to go out and go tell people, say, you know what, she give me a proper head as or whatever. And see him with...
Me can't do nothing at all when me have to hide. So anything when me I do, my back broad me I do it.
Hold on. You are telling me say you never hide and do... Hold on. And that's say you there now. All right. When you did just start swipe, you didn't want anybody know?
Raga, me never care. Me do anything when me want to.
Hold on, man. Hold on. When you did just start swipe, talk it truth where God love and shame the devil. When you did just start swipe, all right, the first time you swipe, you didn't feel funny after you're done? Talk it truth.
The truth where God love and shame the devil. Me did want to do it. It's something that I've always wanted to try and me get the opportunity to try it, and I see that it was tried with the right person, and me never care.
No, hold on, the Tambourine. So, hold on. So when you do it the first time, you did already want to do it?
Yes.
So when me say...
Nobody not just jump up and want to do it. So them, even if them not tell you, say them have it in a them thoughts, them have it in a them thoughts.
No. Some people them end up and do it by accident. Yeah, and then you have some people. No, man, you have some people screech upon the other person, and the other person knows them that plan to get them to do it, and design them thing, And before you know it, your mouth full, and you can't talk, and you're like, wait, what happened? Wait, what happened?
Raga, them did have it in their mind from morning.
No, you can't say that. Me I tell you, people me are calling after and say, Raga, you know, you're right. Because the first time me did do it, me never did know so me I go do it. When me did I go do it, me never know. I never something me did want to do. No, you can't say everybody did have it in their mind. Some people end up and do it and never. No. All right, so even though you did do it with somebody who you comfortable with and you did want to do it. No, seriously though. It never matter to you if him go tell somebody say you do it.
Raga, it never matter because as I said before, it was something that I wanted to try.
Oh.
As something I didn't want to try. Some of the business about nobody else.
Well, all right then. Well, on there. How you confident want to try it? What influence if you want to try it? I want the blues them or your friend them talk about it or what make you lead you to you want to try it? Your partner did bring it up to you, or what happened? Oh.
No, my partner never brings it up to me. Me, they just want to try it, so me try it.
Why? How you hear about it? How you know about it and get attracted to it?
From growing up, you hear people talk about it from time to time. You also do watch porn, and you're saying, what would this? What would I like this?
Right.
And there's only one way to know if you like it is to try it.
Well, that's your point. Yeah, you make the argument. So when you do it the first time, you didn't like it. What you do? You didn't like it? Was it fun?
Yes, with the person I did it with, it was fun.
Oh, okay. So
it was fun.
All right. And the person that did do it back for you too? The person that do it?
The person that did that with a long time to me before. Raga, if you're Nando, me Nando.
Oh.
I don't want your street this.
Okay.
No idiot, no they again.
Okay. No. Hold on. I'm going to tell you something I don't know if you're going to believe. Mm-hmm. You know, say a whole heap of woman out there love do it to man, but don't want the man them do it to them.
That is true. That is true.
Okay.
And vice versa. A lot of men want to do it, but they don't want the woman to do anything. That is true. Because I've made like that before.
Okay. All right. So you see, a lot of men love to eat ice cream, but them no want nobody, but the one no woman eat them naughty body.
Yeah, them enjoy doing that.
Oh, okay.
I see them think that.
I don't see them think
that. Because them like to when you lose your mind.
Well,
and I have no sense. You lose the sense.
That is what Creamy said.
How much sense we have, Raga? 5 or 6?
5.
You lose with 10 cents.
No, but Cream, that is what Creamy said. Creamy said when him do it the first time and see how the woman get mad and clear off everything off her dresser, him say him love that, and him said that is even way more important to him than the other thing right now. That's why him use the code and him say, yo, right now when I eat ice cream, I just put my phone in a phone case and put that one side. So you know what that code them mean, right? And that Creamy say. When him eat ice cream, him no want him phone about him. Him no want him phone about him, right? No, but seriously though, me still feel say, if you have a partner and the partner don't want to get out there, if you hold it, the cure pressure reach you. The care all your girlfriend them a pressure you and say, are you bridging them and say whatever. Or even if them a style you and say, you idiot, I can't believe say you sell out the girl and don't even get the headers. Even if you get the headers, just say, I'll even tell them say you never get no sellings. All of them are class.
And trust me, a lot, especially women, are protecting their men in that sense. A lot of women do protect their men in that sense.
They should.
And I'm not saying, no, Raga, don't get me wrong, you know. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I'm saying, when I say, the point to me, I chime in.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you see, just like what you're saying, the woman is saying, oh my God, it is so good. You're not going to tell anybody out there, Raga. But you have one somebody where you're going to picture and say, you know, say, why?
Last night, girl, me never dip on earth. Me never dip on earth at all. Some other planet me dip on. Him deal with me.
If not see God add the angel them and Raga. You have to.
Yeah.
Especially when you reach, that's the way you reach God and see God and you have to pick somebody and tell somebody Raga.
No, you don't have to tell somebody.
Why, Raga? Why, Raga? If I have one special someone, I have to pooch. I said, good girl, look on
me not agree, but we can agree to disagree. And
disagree, right?
Yeah, because sometimes you know, to tell nobody, because you see when you pinch, remember, when you pinch one somebody, you know, that person going to pinch one more somebody, you know. Everybody hold on. Every pincher have a pinchy. Every pinch.
Raga. No, all right, no. Raga, I'm not saying in majority cases it is so.
Yeah.
But you have a few cases, because to me, if my friend pinch me and tell me something, remember me tell you can't do not forget it from me.
Well,
if my friend pinch me and tell me something.
Well, kudos to you for that. Ratings to you for that. But me just I say there's some time, depending on how the jugglings are going, you don't even know if you pinch anybody. You don't even. Listen to me, man. Anyhow you did do it on the right side of your mouth, you don't even make your left side of your mouth no. You understand?
No. That is true, Raga. But why? Them something when you shake God and them something there.
Yeah. You just have to testify, no. You have glory. Yeah. Glory. All right. Yeah, my box I did a call here. Big up yourself here. Love and bless.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Long time. Protection. All right, then. Give me a next caller. Hello.
Raga.
Greetings. Talk.
Raga.
Yeah. Wagwan.
There, man, a carelessness.
Where you say carelessness?
You see, me I gotta tell the woman them say, when the man them do the things, they have to keep it a secret because it's free promotion. Them I give the man them.
What you mean?
Now watch you know, Raga.
Yeah.
If me you got a Devon house.
Well, you talk about a woman. You talk about a woman, right?
No, man, we talk about ice cream right now. If me you got a Devon house and two we buy ice cream, you buy vanilla and me buy chocolate and you say, yo, kill it, you know say vanilla tastes better than chocolate.
Yeah.
You know say me I go and try it. So I see them thing with the man them you know. If the woman go out there and see you know say, Raga, do a thing, swipe me. And me run like
no,
me.
Well on. Use a different name. Say Andrew Purple. Say if Andrew Purple swipe me. Say Andrew Purple. Don't, yeah. Use one different. So, use Andrew Purple. Let me see the wall here, President. Yeah, if Andrew Purple. Yeah, so if a woman say,
if a woman say, you know, say, Andrew Purple swipe me, I make me run like Niagara Falls. You know, feel like it next lady way. She tell I go and try Andrew man.
It's
like free promotion. Yeah, man, a free promotion, man.
So you said the woman them be careful how them two talk about when something good because bad mind will kick in. And I saw them a next woman will just come scoop up them little man down. Yeah.
How you say, man?
See there.
I don't like me, you know. Me buy from one ice cream shop, you know, because me married.
Oh, okay.
But the next man when I'm married, you know.
Okay.
And I get promotion out there. Woman, I go and try him, so.
Okay.
I just that me I tell the ladies them,
okay.
if they want their full scene and then come,
yeah.
They have to just keep it a secret.
Because I just arguing that alone you go. You're not going no more. You're not going to Ben and Jerry's. Oh.
No man, I want ice cream shop me buy from.
I want ice cream shop your thing that them for no. You understand? See there.
Yeah, man.
No, hold on.
Big. To me no damn ice cream. Yeah.
No, hold on. Big and serious, you know. Some woman serious about that thing that, hey, me talk to man and say, Raga, you either, hey, my man, turn me over and whatever you say, and when my friend them ask, me tell him say him no good. Me say him workless and a film thing that and whatever. Enough woman, you know, one time them have a look man where I deal with them case properly and I make them talk in a tongues and I bite up a pillar and all them something there. You understand? I make them a hang off a bed and I feel them inner organs a shift up and all them something there and them love the something them. Enough of them woman and I make them friend know because them know say, hey, that's something there we just make all some woman start pre them look a man certain way. You see it?
Oh, I said, man, she got that ladies, people start taking her yard often, you know.
Yeah. All right, carelessness, big up yourself here, sir. Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, man, and big up all like chuckers them out there.
Long time. It's so the thing say. People do remember, you know. Say Ragashanti World. That's some thing there, right? On YouTube. Ragashanti World on YouTube. Remember, you must go over there. A whole heap of content over there for you listen and watch, you know, things for a long time, you know, for you laugh and learn. You understand? And you don't know, say, my thing, don't? So you just go over there and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, please. I'm asking you. So go over there right now and subscribe to the channel, Ragashanti World. Do remember, say, next week Saturday, what date again? The 25th. That right, Prezi? Next week Saturday, the 25th. No? No, man, next week Saturday, at 25th, right? Yeah, remember at 25th, we have the second episode of Free Up with me, Ragashanti and thing and whatever. We start out the phone line and all these things. So, it thing I go run nice. Free up! Now, they don't know, so when free up I run, pan, Ragashanti World over YouTube, pan the Ragashanti World channel over YouTube, you know, so we can talk up the things them some more. We can free up and just talk with mine and set things that we can't say on the radio, right? Yes, sir. Because the Broadcasting Commission and thing, don't allow certain things for say, so we can't say them things up on the radio. But in a free up, you really free up. I wonder what the topic for be for the next free up. Wonder what the topic for be for the next free up. If anybody want to give me some idea what the topic should be for the next free up, when I can call in and let me know. Probably I must go over Ragashanti World and ask them what the topic should be for the next free up on the 25th. But make sure someone lock in on that. Free up on the 25th, 8 o'clock New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time. 8 o'clock New York time, 7 o'clock Jamaica time. That's Saturday the 25th. Free up with me, Ragashanti, right on the Ragashanti World channel over YouTube. So, go over YouTube right now and just subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's free. I know someone did a year subscription and did a link about money. Another money thing, it's free. Just go over there and subscribe right now. Next call. Hello.
No close, Raga.
Oh, I got a boo-boo.
Medea.
See.
Them little thing, the oral thing, man fi keep it between them woman and woman fi keep it between them and them man. It no figure road.
Thank you.
It no figure road between you, the woman, and the bed. Or the place where them
No,
do.
but the caller earlier said, when it is so good, you have to have at least one person to tell and thing and whatever. She said something like that.
Not hear that.
Nobody enough to hear.
Secret.
Yeah, secret and wallet.
Secret. You're supposed to wallet. Raga, me get it 3 times from 3 different men. No. Only God alone knows.
Well on, 3 different men swipe you, since your date and thing and whatever. And you say, you never tell nobody yet said them.
Never, because them something a nice cigar road with.
Oh, okay. Why no nice cigar road? What is the concept?
Because me know some me do them thing that man have me name all over the globe.
Okay.
Them things are not healthy for your player.
Right.
You better know, so when him give you the fire stick in your fireside, you can say one bad. But the part and nothing that the broadcast.
So what you said a while ago, you said when the man put on one big piece of fire stick in your fireside, you can't talk about that.
Yeah, man. Say, mad them weird.
And tell people, but if before the fire bill, him did have to blow the fire, and him have to wanna blow itself for the fire, she don't know enough to talk about that part there.
No, me not talk about the blow part.
Don't talk about the blow part when him blow.
I just want him push up the wood in the fire heap.
Don't talk about when him blow for build the fire. I just want him push up the wood in the fire heat.
Man, that's supposed to be between you and him,
No, but what you say about the push up the wood in the fire heat, all that part they go.
Yeah. Just talk about that when him push up the wood in the fire heap.
That's if I talk about. Don't talk.
Yeah, not talk about the blow part. The blow part not healthy.
Yeah, the part that I go a road with. Hold it down. Yo, hey, me not care nobody what say. Big up the woman them who no talk. Raga love the woman them who no talk.
The woman wanna talk.
I don't want nobody to believe so me I say so because me do it and me like the woman them who never said I've been doing it. That is, I'm not admitting. Hey, and tell me say nothing, you know say you just admit it. But me come off, me I get text, say you just admit say you do it, Raga, Ray, this and that and Ray. Some of us are quality.
All right. You're not business what them want to say. You understand me? No. She's one, but what me
no, but me love tease them and trouble
them,
him, Me love tease them and trouble him, because they can catch a fire. Yeah, man, you admit it, Raga, you admit it.
Them all right. No follow them. Raga.
Yeah, wagwan.
You see Monday when mango come on, me I say blow out mango juice them green.
Yeah.
Can't manage Raga, you know.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
But you see when you and the lady start chat mango, me I tell her some pop up here, me no sir. Mango juice them get turn, Raga and the lady turn it up.
Yeah, when Karen calling and me and her talk about mango.
I said, boy, when me hear mango, me know say mango I go come with this up.
Yeah.
Mango juice them the green. But young Karen make it turn.
All right, then again, we have to educate the people them who don't know, you know. People know when a mango not ripe, we say green, right? Kind of whatever. But when the mango about to become ripe and it's in that transition stage, we Jamaicans say the mango turn. And enough Jamaicans love turn mango and them love put salt on. You know, so no people love put salt on. Yeah, turn mango. Me not really. Yeah.
And when you pepper it.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, man, when you cut it up and put it in one plate and put sprinkle little salt and cut up little pepper and shake it up. Shake it up and eat it. It's bad.
Well, what kind of pepper? What you mean, black pepper or like Scotch bonnet pepper?
Country pepper,
Country pepper. Then I like...
go up and cheese.
Yeah, like Scotch bonnet, right? Like country pepper, right? You put pepper on mango? Me love pepper, you know. Me love pepper, you know. Me love pepper bad.
Right,
but you put pepper on mango. It tastes good.
Mango.
With the turn mango?
Yeah, sprinkle little salt and just shake
yeah,
it.
Me do it with the salt. But me don't know about that pepper on mango. Me never...
Somebody will tell us our true.
Pepper mango?
Yes, Raga.
Hold on. Let me see something look pan. Butterbean, a.k.a. Angela Benjamin from Philly. Me look on the wall. Me want you post and tell me if you ever eat pepper mango before. Karen Harris say yes, it tastes good. And if she say it tastes good, because she don't know enough of them look a traditional thing there, you know. Yeah, she a clappy when it comes to some of them. So.
One more thing, Raga, you see the girl who engaged the man for 18 months?
Yeah.
Tell her
hold on, make it be clear. Melissa Peart, who engaged to the Portuguese man for 18 months. Yeah.
Melissa Peart.
Talk to her, yeah.
Too much sweets, rotten tea.
Too much, so, too much travel and I carry her all about the place with that 18 months engagement. Hold on. No. Call her name and chat to her. She named Melissa Peart. Talk to her. Counsel her for me. Counsel her.
Melissa Peart, too much sweets, rotten teeth. A time for you get the ring, girl.
But hold on. But remember, call in and say she might be okay with it. That some woman... You may think, say, the man now married them, but some woman engage a long engagement, but them quite happy with that because probably them now are married to, so we don't know if...
That's why I tell us the money she loves.
The money Melissa Peart love with make she there with the Portuguese. Well, on, you are saying that's the money Melissa Peart there with the Portuguese man and engaged to 18 months.
Because she can go all over the globe.
Yeah, she go Brazil and thing, and she go Portugal and thing and whatever. So you believe her just the money? But what if she not ready? What if she
not married?
Hold on. You have some woman, you know, big and serious. Pre this now. Don't you have some?
What? Take up for Melissa.
Well, I'm not take up here. I just said, listen to me now. You have some woman, you see?
Me have left one next time.
All right, one next time. Here, all right.
Love
then.
you, Raga.
Yeah, man. Where you call from a Jamaica again? Which part of
Jamaica, Kingston.
Kingston what? Kingston what? 14, 13, 12? 19. Big up yourself, you know. Right next to Kingston 20 where Raga did that. But anyway, bless up yourself, you know. Raga loves you.
Love you more.
All right, then, boo-boo. Blessings here. Yeah, Raga, well, I bring people. Well on. Pepper mango. Prezi, you ever eat pepper mango? Them say, Junior leave it kind of the one. Them say, no, man, I bad something with that, man. Say, pepper mango. Me not try it. But that not sound... But she said she do it with turn mango, though. That not sound like something that I eat with ripe mango. Like, you don't even want to spoil a East Indian mango with pepper. If you're going to try pepper mango, try it with Julie. Or number 11 or something. You know, try it with all East Indian and them something there. But me going to try it. You don't have to tell me how to prepare it, doing because I don't really know that because I may go spoil that. But I love pepper. I love my Scotch bonnet pepper and all them something. That's my thing there, you understand? Yeah. And I want to run with that and say, what way you love hot things in your mouth, because I know the turbulent here. We're so forward.
New style. Yes. New flow.
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yeah! Welcome back. Yeah. Right, people now, what kind of work with me now, because a piece of package is there for me, you see me? So when the little break come and thing, you know, I'm trying not to eat the late food, you know. From one day, I try to love out the late food thing, you know, but why people may tell you say that package is there for me, so the matter has to be addressed. Hold on there. I could food that eat up in my teeth, in my mouth corner, around my back teeth. When we attack, mouth have to clean, you know? Okay. Back to the juggling, I think. Hey, we turn everything in entertainment. That's what we do. Yeah, I want to big up all of my people who work at nursing home right here now and I take care of the elderly and all them something. Me know how they left me out of me a phone company. I saw the thing said. Big up our truck driver out there and thing right here now, you know, on the road and you know, all a vibe and the show have an attention so you know, drop asleep, you know, alert and all these things and so forth. Big up all who link me and tell me, say, boy, Raga, you don't know what you do for with Ragashanti world because you just take out the board them and we can listen to the thing them we want to listen and thing and whatever, yeah? Big up all who link me and, you know. Pusey, big up yourself, you know, my general, my brother, you know. And big up everybody, you know. Dana from Prembakal and the whole works because you know, link me and say, oh, because the show, particularly Jamaica, the show come on 9 to 11, up here 10 to 12. No phone on have no look at work the next day and all them something there so on the can't get fit, you know, listen and then somehow don't know. What when I say when we start listening, you know, but then they sleep clot up on the nasty and they say all night 11 bells there up here and you know another 10 bells at Jamaica and thing I wanna drop asleep. So on the happy say on can, you know, check out the thing over Ragashanti World on YouTube and thing. But I just want to know I have hundreds, literally hundreds of shows. But them have to edit, you know, and take out this and take out that and whatever, and put them up, you know, and post them and things. So for years to come, I will be uploading lots of content at Ragashanti World over YouTube. Not only will I be uploading lots of old content, but I'll be uploading new content also, right? And I'll also be doing live content, as I've done with Free Up and thing. And then we have our next Free Up on the 25th of this month, which is next week, Saturday. Not Saturday I come, but the other Saturday. Another edition of Free Up. And that them thing they're going to stay up there and thing over Ragashanti World. So you just make sure you subscribe. So even if you listen this right now, for Ragashanti World, or you watch this right now for Ragashanti World, and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button right now. Do so right now. Some interesting things have been happening in Jamaica recently with the COVID thing. You know, people having lockdown fatigue, people having problem with no movement days, and things like that. Now, a Minister of Government, I think him named Floyd Green, Minister of Agriculture, was found, a video. Why I tell us a social media shall be no found a destruction in the man. Right? So a video run out on social media, people, and upon the big no movement there. Right? And the Minister of Government that in a video with a next, I think is a councillor, name must name Bellamy or something, with a crowd of people. Big party and things, champagne and all these things. And I bust big toast. And actually I said, no movement there, where they not going with a bag of things? And Ray, you understand? And the video get out. Remember, you know, the Jamaican people have already a problem with the fact that the no movement there them implement, them have the security forces that enforce it. And when people violate, them get locked up because it's an act. An act is law, right? So them been a lock up people. Ghetto people, right? And then when you see what happened when some people go talk up on the Prime Minister, what happened? I don't need to tell you, no. It's right there on social media. Even that has been debated and all these things. So the people them did upset about that. And doubly upset about the fact that the tourists them is like apparently the no movement they implemented at Jamaica. But then it ease up when the tourists them come in on the ship them and the tourists them allowed to move around. And Jamaicans are very incensed and upset about that. Now, I don't get involved in the too much in the politics thing because it's joke I gay. But me, I'm going to just tell you now, a side of the thing where me here and on judge for yourself. I heard that the government was in a bind contractually, right? That when negotiations were made with the cruise ship, the lawyers demanded, certain guarantees. And this is now contract, subject to being, sued, after if you breach a contract. And part of that guarantee was that for say the next 5 years, we will invest hundreds of millions of dollars. Tens of millions, hundreds of millions, how much millions of dollars. Hundreds of millions of dollars. If we have the guarantee that on these days, we can bring in our ship. And Jamaica signed to that. And other countries, they had to sign too if they want, this is with the cruise ship. So from what I heard was that when, given the pandemic, and the government wanted to, cease with the cruise ships coming in, I heard that the cruise ship company them say, we sell with ticket them already, and that's why we demanded that the contract so and so, because we sell our ticket 1 year, 2 year, 3 year before, and enough people really buy them cruise ticket that we're there. So I hear when the government make an appeal, I hear the cruise ship people say, no, we are holding it to the contract. You do what you have to do, but if you don't make our ship them come in, as agreed, pursuant to the contract, we will hold you in breach. And it's going to cost you a lot of money, way more than you even got from signing the contract. So I heard it was a very difficult, I don't want nobody come jump on my case now, I'm just telling you what I'm here, right? So I heard it was a very difficult situation for the government, and that by law, the Andrew Woness administration could not get around the contractual obligations that they had to adhere to. Of course, that doesn't sit well with the people and on the other side. What all them a see is that them under lockdown, them can't move. A new term is introduced into the lexicon of the Jamaican people. No movement there. And it's very difficult, people, for a post-colonial society who have witnessed hundreds of years and very sensitive to this whole thing about white people and foreigner and whatever, and how much the indigenous people have suffered. It's very difficult for those people now to be in a position where they are under, it's not me create the term exists, lockdown, which implied constrained, limited, your liberties are taken away. Liberty is about freedom, right? Are taken away. And then you see cruise ship people, not only white people, but for them, white people enjoy them country. When them can't enjoy the country, them own a country, it's very difficult. So I hear someone big march plan out of God knows one freedom march and all kind of thing. And my take on it is that, both sides have a credible argument to be made. And that is what management is about. That is what being in leadership is about. You have to make difficult decisions, and you have to go take some hits too. It's part of the game. It's not just a bed of roses. You not just get the hype of being a leader. You're going to get whopped up. And there's sometimes you're going to make some calls that it just, it not please anybody. And, you have a saying, say, everywhere you turn, Maka joke you. Sometimes you have to do them something there, as leaders. Right? So, in my opinion, me know the partisan thing, and me hate the party, and the dirty PNP, and the dirty Labour, right? Me no join that something. Me no in that something. But it seems to me, based on what I've heard, that both sides have some understandable concerns. And I don't know where or how, the management in this instance, it's the government. They can come up with some sort of solution, to remedy the matter as best as is possible so that some people can feel a little bit better. But, wait, 1 second. But thus far, on several occasions, the government has been somewhat inconsistent in its implementation. And apparently different people have enjoyed different privileges and different restraints. And perhaps the government can be a little bit more efficient in its administration of its policies and its measures in order to combat this terrible, terrible disease here called COVID-19. And thing. Yes, hello, caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello, yeah.
You hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. How you do?
But all right now, the mango, you see?
Huh?
The green mango and the pepper.
Yeah, the green mango and the pepper. Who this, Coombs?
Yeah, man.
Coombs, what, man? I'm glad for you, your voice. You're my new friend. Big up yourself, Mr. Coombs.
All right, hold on. The number was 676.
Huh?
The number 676.
4996, yeah.
4996. Me I want for you, maybe I don't put you on the last time, Me have to sit on a box of. All right, listen to me now.
Yeah.
The green mango. You get on stringy mango.
Yeah.
The turn one them next to ripe.
Yeah.
You peel them.
Yeah.
You cut up the pepper pan you, nice cut bunny pepper.
Yeah.
And you tip little water pan you, little bit, and you put down a plastic thing you cover. And tip little salt pan you and shake it. Nice,
And she, okay. I forgot. But
not too much salt, no. A little bit of salt.
Look a bit, but Mr. Coombs, me not really eat stringy mango, so which other mango you recommend?
Yeah, be green Julie, but them have it kind of foolish. They mustn't too green,
Right, they must be too green. So them, yeah, them for turn.
Near to ripe, in between.
In between.
Yeah, but the best one is stringy,
No, me not cuss the stringy, but why Jamaicans disrespect stringy, sir? Why stringy mango get disrespect?
I don't know, but you can't take the boiling up. Even when you talk about Indian curry mango, most of the stringy, you peel them, you cut them as skin, you see?
Yeah.
Indian, when the Indian function. Then cut them as skin in 4. Then peel them, take out the kernel and peel them thin. And you put on water and wash and you put your curry and chicken and cook them. And it's nice,
Well, remember people who don't remember Mr. Combs here is our 82-year-old. No, you're 82-year-old, right, Mr. Combs? 84-year-old. And he made known to us on his call that he's Indian. But you're right. Indians mango use a lot of things. And when come with the mango, when you mango lassi, I saw it name.
They call it mango chutney.
Mango chutney, and they use mango for a lot of things. So yeah, I want to love pepper too. Yeah.
Yeah, you the mango chutney now, you see?
Yeah.
You get the full stringy mango, peel them.
Yeah.
Peel it thin and grater, you put it thin and grater.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say blender. Me don't know about blender them time there. A grater, you know, grater is too fine, right?
Yeah.
And you mix it with a little pepper and little salt.
Well, on, what you say you grate the mango?
Yeah, like when you get a carrot.
But well, on, so what you mean? At the turn mango you for grate or the green mango? The turn mango?
It more full, more turn.
Well, on,
Very full, yeah.
It more full more than turn?
Yeah, you know, each turn stage yet.
Oh, hold on, Mr. Combs, man. You educate me, I know, man. So,
everybody listen can do it. That's
no,
right.
man, well, on, man. So what me I hear from you is that mango can green, but after green, it full, and then after full, it turn, and then after turn, it ripe.
Ripe.
So,
right.
so we know if you use a mango when it green, I will avoid using it when it turn and ripe, but if you use it when it full.
Right. You come like breadfruit. All right. You come like breadfruit. You have soup breadfruit, you know. You have soup breadfruit. You have boiling breadfruit. And you have roasting breadfruit, right?
No, when you say you have food breadfruit?
Soup, S-O-O-P.
Soup breadfruit.
Yeah, soup breadfruit.
Yeah. Boiling breadfruit.
You're not too young and not too full.
Okay.
Then you have the boiling now and we're next to full.
Okay.
We're not next to full.
Yeah.
And you well full one on a roasting breadfruit.
No, but them two breadfruit, they have two names. What the name? I forgot the name of Jamaican have for them, like the one for boil and the one for roast. The two different breadfruit names. What them there? Let me see the wild present.
Yellow heart and white heart, you know.
What you say, what?
You have one yellow heart, when I best one, yellow heart breadfruit, yellow heart. When you roast it.
Yellow heart for the roasting, though, no?
Yeah.
And then the white heart for the soup.
Happy boiled white.
Right, okay. Yellow heart and white heart. Yeah, something like
that. But the yellow heart can't go in a soup when you're young, you know.
The yellow heart can't go in a soup when you're young?
Yeah, when that's sweet for boil, you know.
Okay.
It looks tough and chocho.
What look stuff?
Yeah, with the Irish picture, can't you put a beef soup, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Well, I teach
yeah,
you.
Every Saturday, man, we pick up beef soup for my neighbor. Up on my father tree.
After your father, okay.
Yeah, my neighbor never no beef food. But my father not saying, you understand?
Well, Mr.
My neighbor boil beef soup every Saturday, you know.
Oh, your neighbor boil beef soup every Saturday, but your father
every
never
Saturday,
boil beef soup.
You don't no boil beef soup unless you don't kill no cow.
Oh, unless what?
Unless they don't kill no cow that we eat there.
Unless them not kill no cow that we eat, but from cow kill super boil.
Kill super boil, yeah.
Okay, and them kill cow every week.
Every Friday.
Every Friday, cow kill your neighbor.
By 12:30, 1 o'clock, beef start selling, you know.
Beef, okay. So that
them... The inspector comes stamp it, you know.
Okay. So them a butcher, man. Them a butcher.
Yeah, man, butcher, man. You got meat shop go buy, you go market.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, man.
No, Mr. Coombs, me have one bridging up here, you know. True, me can't really cook good, you know. Me can't cook better than current Iris, because she can't cook. But me can't cook good otherwise. And me have one bridging up here. I be a show off for me, you know, because him can't cook look a bit. Him name Speng. Him live in Atlanta. So Mr. Combs, me gonna need you every now and then for just teach me little something about food so me can make something and done him, you know? Here?
All right, no problem.
All right.
You know.
All right then.
You can't make roti?
Roti? I don't know if I make roti.
You easy, man. You can't make dumpling, pure dumpling, right?
No, bad pan dumpling. Don't play with me with dumpling. Don't play with me with dumpling, Mr. Combs. Me can't dumpling, me have dumpling lock. Okay.
You can't make dumpling good?
Yeah, me can't make dumpling good. Me can't make dumpling
all right,
good.
well, you put the more baking soda in the flour.
But
baking soda, baking powder. And need the flour soft and dumpling one.
Yeah.
Need the more soft. You save some flour that when it turns soft, you get some dry flour.
Yeah.
And rub it, make it become hard, and you go on till it becomes soft.
Till it's okay.
All right, now, you
No, you don't have to tell me today, Mr. Combs. I just tell you, say you can, you know, at different times. I'm going to go and juggle with the show today, but every now and then, I'm going to touch base with you, and then, you know, you can't just jump in and...
But yes, I never don't know about. I put you on paper and style right here.
Write it down again. 676. Okay, 676.
6764996.
Yes, man. I eat that, Mr. Combs. I eat that.
Yeah, I put 876 before, right?
Yeah, 876 before, Mr. Combs.
Yeah,
all right? All right.
One woman tell her boyfriend say you me pay show here.
One woman tell her boyfriend say she hear you, Mr. Coombs, on the show, no?
Yeah.
Well, I wonder if she hear and talk about when the woman nearly swallow the whole of you something.
You know when you throw a line in the river to catch fish?
Eh? What?
When you throw a line, fishing line.
Yeah.
And you put on a bait pan it.
Yeah.
And if it's goggle, you come grab you and swallow you up.
Yeah.
I same way. Let's tell you one.
For those of you don't know, Mr. Coombs, him not in the swiping thing, him don't join it, him not play that something there. Him not in it, but him say one time when him did go on with look workings back in the day and lay down and smoke a cigarette and relax.
And I wait for the second round.
I wait for the second round. Him say all of a sudden him say the woman a kind of slide time and him
play up with the ear on him belly.
Yeah, play up with the ear on him belly and him say before you know it, she swallow everything and shock him. Him say him have to beat her off him, man. Cause him said everything disappear. Man say Jesus God away gone and we going to bring him to my wife, you know. Wait there. Yeah. All right, Mr. Coombs, bless up yourself here.
One love, yeah, man. But try the mango here.
Yeah, man, I'm going to try the pepper mango something there, man. I'm going to try it. I'm going to make you know here. All right, we will a break. We're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Anyway, Carla, hello.
Yes, brother. Good night.
Greetings. What good?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
All right. Quick thing. Do you mind want to post up your email address so we could reach out to an email?
Oh.
Because there was a few little things I wanted to send to you, and I don't want to comment it on YouTube because, you know, little financial things, and so you don't want to post up on YouTube.
Right.
Wall.
All right, here we go. You can, anybody who want email me, you can email me to my Gmail account. It's Ragashanti, we keep it simple, Ragashanti@gmail. In fact, you can send me Mixup there too. Usually when I run the show, I have an email, you know, I just kind of develop a show first, you know, because sometimes when you get email, a whole heap of people use it and thing, and them don't want to call in. So I want to build the calling community first. But anybody can email me, Ragashanti@gmail.com. Here? Ragashanti@gmail.com.
Okay, I got that.
But remember to spell it with one G, and it ends with an I.
One G.
And it ends with an I.
I already have that one. I just didn't want to send it because I didn't know if you're still using that old email address. But yeah.
Yeah, man. That one, them I go hold that one the right through, you know. It was my personal email, and I used to, but the woman them used to send me all kind of interesting pictures that. And them used to terrorize me.
And as a married man, you don't need that. No, you don't need that no more as a married man.
Right.
You don't need that. Yeah.
No, but all when me single and I do road, me not do the online something. If me not know you know, me not answer you know. Answer what? And you don't know who is who. You don't know who is who with what is what. Answer what? So even all when me do, me not answer them. All when them end up a cuss me back. Look for when me I send you this and that and whatever. You really so and so. And them beat me. They cuss me. Not answering them lucky. You understand? But that email, anybody can write me that email right now. Ragashanti@gmail.com. All right?
All right, then. Cool.
So what go on?
Well, it's a true... this is a true stuff happened to my family.
Yeah.
It's not a big mix-up type of thing, but it's a mistake happened at the wedding.
Yeah. Tell me, yeah.
So my sister get married, right? But we have a close family friend where my stepmother used to work with the doctor. The doctor is a pathologist.
Okay.
So, you know, he's the pathologist for the whole country. Basically, he's the head pathologist. So,
right.
You know, he's used to giving speeches, and every time he's giving speeches, he's always giving bad news. You know?
Okay.
Long story short, he was at the wedding because, you know, his family friend invited him to the wedding. And he got up and make a speech. But because this man is always used to giving bad news, the man got up and said, my condolences to George Anya. I'm like, oh my goodness, the man's wife got suffered. No harm, you know, no harm. His wife hanging on her head and like just took the mic out of his hand me and my sister made eye contact. Up to this day, I think only two of us heard it because he was soft-spoken and nobody was paying attention because people start getting food and drinks at the wedding. So he just giving speeches.
So okay, that it did not have the undivided attention of all involved, right? So
he did not. No, he did not. It did not because at the time the wedding was already running late, so they're getting food, they're getting drinks, so people getting up, walking, talking.
So in a wedding, him go get up and say, because a pathologist deal with the causes of death. So they might as well examine dead body and I say this cause the disease, this cause the death or whatever. So he's accustomed to dealing with that. So in the middle of a wedding now, him go get up and say, I just wanted to extend my profound condolences to the group.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, everybody never hear.
I was one of the escort. Not everybody didn't hear, but up to this day, I think it's only me and my sister heard it. Me and her make eye contact, and we just hang on her head and laugh because we know he didn't mean harm, you know?
Yeah. No, I never that him mean. I never that him mean at all.
You never mean that. And if my sister's listening, my sister living further right now, so she probably cracking up like, what? You still remember that from 2008? Yes, I still remember it.
Is she listening right now? You think she's listening? You know that she's listening right now?
I don't know, because,
okay, all right.
So the time is different, so I don't know, but yeah.
Where in Jamaica you calling from?
No, I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in Chicago.
Oh, you're Chicago. Okay. I think you guys, Chicago, you're 1 hour behind New York, no, sir?
Yeah, right now it's 10:52 for me.
Okay, so yeah, man. So we're not on Jamaica time. We're on Jamaica on the same time now.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes,
we're on Jamaica on the same time.
Yeah.
All right then. So we're going in the windy city. Everything a balance over there.
It's trying to get there, We still have little senseless crimes still going on, and the mayor just implement. Well, they want to put forward new fines on people for crime, the drug dealers, them anybody who get there. They want to go after those riches now. Like if you know you got arrested and you get these big fancy houses off of ill-gotten money.
Yeah.
They want to come for that.
They might take with that right, Well, that might be an incentive. That may incentivize some of them for double think what they're engaging in. But thank you, my brother, all right? And that is the email, all right? So you can reach me there, so yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, then. Cool. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect and blessings, man. All right. People, may I look on this thing over Ragashanti world, and I need at least 20 subscribers before the night done for carry me across a certain threshold that I want to cross, all right? So I want to go over Ragashanti world. I need at least 20 subscribers right now for carry me across a certain threshold that will open up certain provisions over YouTube. So I need 20 people to go to Ragashanti world and subscribe right now. So if you're listening right now, make sure you subscribe. If you're listening this on YouTube right now, make sure you subscribe right now. I'm asking you to do so. So may I look on the things. I have my phone here, I look on it. I need 20 people to go over there right now, so that before the next half hour at least, we will have crossed that threshold. Okay? 20 people. Go to Ragashanti World on YouTube. Go to YouTube and put in Ragashanti World and subscribe to my YouTube channel over there. This is going to be significant. So I'm asking you to do that for me right now. Do it right now. Do it right now. Do it right now. Do it right now. All right? Come again, I want to say condolences to Pat, who passed away today. TamFam, as you know, Pat. She's at every one of my event. Yes, Pat, super fridge Pat, a little Pat with a big bottom and thing. Unfortunately, she fell to COVID. She caught COVID last week. ended up in the hospital like late, like must have Thursday, Friday, and unfortunately passed today and thing, and that mash up my head, mash up my meds. Pat was a very, very good friend of mine. Very, very good friend of mine. It's always full of fun and laughter. So condolences to her relatives. And people, just take care of yourselves out there. Do not follow the people who are denying this thing and for political purposes, and just to get attention out there with all kinds of misinformation. COVID is real, right? And it's killing people, and it's killing our loved ones. So do what you need to do for it not to kill you. Take care of yourself, people. I'll be back on Friday. I'm out.